So when I open up this bracket, I do that, it's equal to what? It's equal to x squared minus 5x, second one, plus 5x. 5 times minus 5 is equal to minus 25. Oh, why's done that? Why are we doing that? These cancel out, and I'm left with x squared minus 25. So it works. That's all we're doing. We're doing it. We're just making this a simpler form. Okay, but this all connects. Okay, let's do it. Let's do a question review just by yourself. We can go through this. Okay, so let's do example 3. This will be a little bit more, I think, a little bit more easier to illustrate the example. X squared minus 9. So what number can I square to get x squared?
X.
So x whole squared. Yeah. I can. What number can I square to get 9?
3.
So therefore, x squared minus 9 can be expressed as the difference of two squares as x plus 3, x minus 3, which is the same as this little equation that we draw up here. Okay, that we did.
Okay.
That make a little bit more sense?
I understand.
Yes, I understand that. Right, we're going to do another one just to make sure you definitely understand. Let's just go back up here.
Jakob has his hand up.
Jakob has his hand up. Go on, Jakob, what is it? Jakob, what's the matter? Hello?
Good.
Yes?
What's the matter? What's happening?
Simran.
Jakob, you got your hand up. What's the problem?
Jakob left.
Oh, has he? Okay. All right. Let's carry on then. What's the first thing I do? Because this is going to be the difference of two squares.
Example number.
What's the square of x squared? What's
X.
what number do I square? So it's just x whole squared. And what number can I show 36 as?
18.
X.
6. Very good. Therefore, I can express this as x. Number, please.
Add.
Yep.
36.
Yeah.
And x minus 36.
Bracket x minus 6.
And there you go.
Okay. Here you go. Now, let's do another one. Squares, please.
9 and x.
That's it, please. Equation.
X
Add 9.
plus 8. Wait.
X minus 9.
Perfect. Yep.
Can I, what does this dot signal mean? I forgot.
Therefore.
CHE.
Therefore. Okay, that's what it means.
Pardon?
Therefore.
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 Oh yeah, thank you.
Okay. Therefore, I prove this. Therefore, I exist. Okay. Right. Let's do another one because I think we need to go through a few more a few more examples before we can say, yeah, we definitely get this. Definitely get this. X squared minus 64. Can I please have the squares?
X and 8.
I'm going to express this. Numbers, please.
X, add 8. X
Yep.
minus 8.
Minus 8.
Perfect.
Next one.
Right. Squares, please.
B,
B and 11.
Perfect. Equation, please.
X, add
No.
11.
No.
I mean, B add 11.
Yep.
And B take away 11.
It's minus 11. Perfect. Right. We are going to do... Oh,
Angle.
this will be an interesting one. This will be an interesting one. This will be an interesting one.
Wait, what? 1.
X and 1.
X and 1.
Is it just 1?
Yeah. Because 1 times 1 is 1.
Equation.
Then it's
X, add 1. Next, take away 1.
Sir,
Yes.
may you please go to the last question again quickly?
Which one's that? This one here or this one here?
The one with, yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, you sort that. Okay.
I just wanted to check something if I got it wrong.
Okay. Right. Right. We need to finish off this section with some really, really difficult ones, but we've only got 1 minute left, right? It's not worth rushing it. So what we're going to do for next lesson is we're going to finish off the difference of two squares. I warn you, there are going to be some really complex ones that can make you really think. I suggest you learn your timetables all that properly, because there are going to be some really complex ones that require you to know really obscure tables, your 7 times table, your 9 times table, you know, that kind of stuff. Not going to be straightforward. It can be very difficult. Okay, so I'm going to push you a little bit harder next week, and I promise you, they will be harder. All right, it's going to make you really sweat and think about how you want to do these kind of things. Okay, and then finally next week, what we're going to finish off on is we're going to do algebraic fractions. Okay, so algebraic fractions. Okay, so it'll come full circle. Okay, so quadratics, and then difference of two squares, and then finishing off with algebraic fractions. Okay, of dividing quadratic equations. How do you do it? Okay, and we're going for that, and that will be the biggest section we've done. Okay, and then we're going to go on to some more. We'll see what we'll go on to. Okay, but certainly we're nearly at the end of this section. But it's important you know this, because it is very, very tough, very, very difficult. And if you understand this, you will have no problems when it comes to school. All right, guys, work hard. You're on holidays now, I think. Are you? You're all on holidays, so you've got plenty of time to carry on working. And yeah, have a good weekend. Take care, and we'll catch up next week. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye then. Take care.